Dear students, in this lecture we will learn that how to select the top n number of records from our SQL Server database. Let's assume that you are doing the software development and you have to select first 2 records of your table. Then what will be the strategy for you? Fortunately, SQL Server provides a clause top which returns the required top records to you. This is the definition of top clause. SQL Server provides the top clause to fetch first X number of records. Okay, let's see the syntax of top clause. Select top, T-O-P, top, then number of records from your table name. Upon execution of this query, SQL Server will select the top 2 rows. Let's move into SQL Server Management Studio and see that how this query will work in SQL Server. This is the extract of our employee information table. Let's assume that I want to select first 3 records of this table. Then I will just go and write the top clause followed by the number of records I want to fetch and then the name of column. In this example, I want to select all columns of our employee information table. Let's execute this query and see what is the result from SQL Server. Okay. Upon execution, you can see that SQL Server returned us only 3 rows of employee information table. Let's change the number 3 to 4. Now, upon execution of this query, SQL Server will return the 4 records. Now, I am going to show you another variation of top clause by organizing the records in ascending and descending format. To arrange the records in ascending or descending order, we have a clause order by. Let's place the order by at the end of our query and the name of column employee ID, which we want, which will be the basic identifier for SQL Server to rearrange the data. Upon execution of this query, SQL Server will rearrange the data of employee information table in descending format on the basis of employee ID. Let's execute this query and see the result. You can see that the result shows that employee ID 8 is being enlisted at the top of result, whereas employee ID 1 is listed at the bottom of result. Now just write the keyword top and again 4, same like this. Now when I will execute this query, SQL Server will select these 4 records and will display it to you. Got it? I think now top clause will be very clear to you. and it will be very helpful for your professional life and will provide a solid baseline to proceed for your SQL Server development. Thank you.